hip width apart. Relax your shoulders and arms. Close your palms, make a fist. Let's do the shoulder rotation with breathing movement. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Through the nose. Inhale. Exhale through the nose. Inhale again. And exhale. Now reverse. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Slow and steady movement. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Last one. And exhale. Great. Now stretch your arms to the front, straight to the shoulders. As you breathe out, you hunch the back and look down. As you breathe in, open the chest and the arms and look up. Breathe out, arms forward and hunch the back, round the shoulders. As you breathe in, arms back, chest open, chin up. Feel the expansion of the chest, and as your arms come forward, feel the stretch in the back shoulders. As your arms go behind your chest, feel the stretch in the neck, your chest, attachments to the shoulders and arms. Relax. Now interlace your fingers, you lift and roll the shoulders back, stretching the arms away from the hips. And try to lift your chest up as much as you can. And squeeze the shoulder blades together as much as you can. Inhale and relax. Let's try that again. Breathe in. Lift and roll the shoulders as you breathe out. Now chest forward. If you can, raise the chin up. Try to extend the front of your neck. Raise the chin. Inhale and relax. Can we do one more variation? See how my wrist is against the lower back, my fist. Inhale, exhale and hunch the back, round the shoulders and chin down. Then inhale, exhale and squeeze the elbows and shoulders back. For this one, my elbows are bent, chest and chin up. Let's do that again. Hunch the back, round the shoulders, chin down. Then squeeze your shoulders and elbows back, chin up. One last time. Hunch the back, round the shoulders, push your tailbone in. And squeeze the shoulders back. Lift your chest up, raise the chin. Relax. If you happen to hold the posture for a few seconds, maintain normal breathing. No need to hold the breath. Okay, feet remains parallel. Bring your right palm touching the right shoulder area. Left hand hold the right elbow. Now extend, stretch the right side of your body. We are not actually arching yet. I'm just extending up the elbow, shoulder, the side of the ribs and gently pulling it towards my left side. So there's a lot more lift for the whole right side of your body. Extend and gently pull the right elbow to the left side. Don't arch yet. Hips remain in the center. Inhale and relax. Now left palm, you roll the shoulder out and touch your left shoulder. Right hand hold the left elbow. You're just extending it up. Extending and gently pulling the elbow. That's it. Good. Slowly relax. Take a deep breath again. The next one, see, watch me again. My right palm is touching my right shoulder. Left hand hold the right elbow. You see, when I start to pull my elbow to the left side, I'm slightly arching, but I'm also bending my right knee. I'm actually bending my right knee and I arch to the left side. Pay attention. So this is my mirror image, so don't get confused. This is your right side, right? So when I arch to my left side, I bend my right knee. Continue to arch to the left more. Relax. Inhale and relax. Try the left side. Left palm touching the upper back. Right hand hold the left elbow, chest up. Again, take a deep breath in. Breathe out and now gently arch to the right side. Now bend your left knee. Remember, right leg remains straight. You're just dropping the left knee, so it kind of pulls your left hip down as you're arching to the right side. Concentrate on your body. So really good lateral stretch, shoulder stretch. Helps improve circulation to the shoulders, arms and the chest area. Inhale and come out. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. Another variation. Join the feet together, please. Get the right palm to touch your upper back. Left hand hold the right elbow, chest forward. Now we are going to do an even stretch. Inhale, exhale. First you arch your torso. Don't move your hips yet. Get the maximum movement above the waist, and when you feel like you have reached the maximum torque, you push your hip to your right side, gently arch to the left side. No need to look up. Breathe normal. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Great. Take a deep breath again. Deep breath again. Now left palm touch the upper back. Make sure the shoulders and hips are parallel to each other, parallel to the floor, right? Look forward, breathe in, breathe out, and first arch without moving the hip stay in the center, and then deepen the arch, left shoulder back, right shoulder forward. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Very good. Come back out. Deep breath twice. Deep breath again. Open the legs wider, please. Stack your head on top of your chest, your neck. Take your left hand over the head, gently pulling the neck to your left side, but extend your right hand out. Can you drop both shoulders down? Don't shrug your shoulders up. Chest up. You don't have to pull with a lot of force. A gentle pull and extend. Stretch the right hand away from the shoulder towards the floor. Inhale. Try the left side. My right hand hold the left side of the head, gently arching to the right side. You are now pulling both shoulders down. Not just your left, both shoulders down. Normal breathing. Make sure the chest is not hunching. Inhale and relax. Now try this. Extend shoulders and arms down. Turn your head to the right as much as you can. Your eyes gazing to the right side. See if your eyeballs can gaze to the right corner. Look behind your back. Chest open, shoulders pull back gently. Inhale, center. Exhale and look to your left side. Now eyes gaze to the left. Inhale and relax. Can we try one more variation? My right hand gently, very gently pressing the left side of my cheek to guide that head turning to the right side movement. I'm using the gentle effort from my arm by pressing the left side of my cheek. I look back to the right side. It's just to increase the range. Inhale, center. Now try the other side. First you turn your head and then start to press your right side of your cheek. Look behind your back. You can see you can go a few more inches than before. Inhale and relax. Great. And let's focus on the spinal movement. Twisting first. Do a gentle movement left and right. Twisting. You can do normal breathing, or you exhale left, exhale right, exhale left, exhale right. Try and look back to the left side, look back to the right side. Great, relax. Now follow me. So right leg, step to the left side. Right leg forward, step to the left. Not too wide, right? It can be like just 1 feet apart. Your right leg slightly to the front. Now raise the left hand up. Your right hand holding the right hip. And now as much as you can, arch to the right side towards gravity. And can you slightly bend your right knee? This front knee can slightly bend. Can you slowly deepen the arch? You can look to the floor, right side. Breathe normally. So your right leg in the front slightly bends, and you extend your left side of the body. You can feel that circulation moving to the body, feeling the warmthness. Inhale and come out. Exhale and relax. Take a deep breath again. Now let's go. Left leg forward to the right side. Can you slightly bend your left knee this time? Turn the hip, turn the chest. Now raise your right hand up. Now go slowly. It may be a balancing pose for some of you. So you bend the left knee, the front leg now. Now left shoulder back, and see how much you are able to arch to the left side. Look to the floor. Extend the right side of the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Good effort. Take a deep breath one more time. One more deep breath. Great. Hands on the hips. Now start with small circles. As you repeat the movement, medium circles. And slowly go for bigger circles. Try slowly bend forward, arch back, bend forward, arch back. Now let's go again. Reverse, small circles. Medium circles. Come on, keep the focus on the movement, your breath, and slowly bigger circles. Okay, relax. Take a deep breath twice. One more long breath.